If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the general properties of a form field in Acrobat, open the form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. Then double-click the desired form field to open its Properties dialog box. To view the form field's general properties, click the General tab within this dialog box. This is the default tab that appears when you open the field's Properties dialog box. These settings appear for all types of form fields in Acrobat. To change the name of the form field, type a name into the Name field on this tab. To change the tooltip text, which appears if a user hovers their mouse pointer over this field within the form, type it into the Tooltip field. To set the visibility and printability of the form field, select a choice from the Form Field dropdown in the Common Properties section at the bottom of the General tab. To change the rotation of the form field, select a choice from the Orientation dropdown. To make the field read-only, to prevent changes to the data it contains, check the Read Only checkbox. If available, to require the user of the form to provide a value to the field before they can submit the form, check the Required checkbox. To prevent changes to the form field's properties on all tabs in the Properties dialog box, check the Locked checkbox at the bottom of the dialog box. To change field properties if this box is checked, first uncheck the Locked checkbox. To close the dialog box when finished, click the Close button. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.